Alright, so I've already got the tools out. And I've already done the clutch, I've already done the rear brakes. So I figure I'll do the front brakes while I got y'all here. So I put new .4 in the reservoir. We'll come down here, we'll pop our little cover off. Make sure you don't ever lose those covers. That might be one of the most important things on your bike, whether you choose to believe it or not. So we break that little bleeder valve free. And I just recently did my front brakes about 3,000 miles ago. So I don't really think they need it, but I've got a bottle of .4 open. And it's either I put it in the bike or I throw it away. Woo, we got really close to draining that one. So I'm going to refill the reservoir. Helps if you bring your tools over to the other side. Make sure you put that little cap back on your bleeder valve. Cap's back on the bleeder valve. This cap needs to come off the bleeder valve. This should be good. Okay. Now we got to find us a master. Master. That's going to be 11 millimeter. And you're going to want to add some more brake fluid. If you've not heard me say it before, when you bleed your master, usually your brakes are great after that. Even if you were having brake issues, it's typically the master that's giving you the issues. Come on, get off there. Oh yeah, those brakes are good. Remember what I tell you, get all the brake fluid off. You don't want any of that residue anywhere. That is nice. Now we just got to put our reservoir back together. If you watched my clutch video, I told y'all that my reservoirs are new. I did buy new reservoirs because mine turned white. Mine turned white and it made brand new brake fluid look like it was 10 years old. And if you've watched any of my videos, you already know that I'm a preventative maintenance freak. I would much rather be fixing or stopping a problem long before that problem ever happens. So there you have it, folks. $75,000, 8 miles. The last thing I have to do on this bike is reset the service on the computer, and yeah, we're done. So thanks for watching. I hope you can get 75,000 miles out of your 848.